Come young people, come with your dreams, come with your energy, come with your hope. Dance around the fire, but remember, a bright fire gives light, a wise heart gives direction. Let your strength be guided by respect, let your courage be guided by wisdom. Feel the night, but never forget your purpose. Be a shining guiding light. Respect your elders and your family. Listen when wisdom speaks. The strongest person in the village is the one who learns and speaks. Do not waste your gifts and talents. Do not throw your dreams away. Every choice you make today can build a better day. Be brave enough to stand for goodness. Be strong enough to do what's right. The future belongs to young people who walk in truth and light. Dance around the fire. Lift your voices high. Lift your voices high. Dance with hope and purpose. Reach out to the sky. Dance around the fire. Let your spirit rise. Let your spirit rise. Walk with love and wisdom. Keep your dreams alive. Hey, hey, hey. Dance around the fire. Hey, 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 hey. Let your future shine. Hey, help your neighbor when they're struggling. Lend a hand when help is needed. Plant good seeds within your community and watch the future be completed. Learn a skill and keep improving. Use your mind and use your heart. Every great and lasting journey begins when young people start. Respect is not a sign of weakness. Kindness is not being small. The people who change the world are those who care for. Be humble when success finds you. Be grateful for every chance. The wisest leaders are remembered not just for power but their stance. Dance around the fire. Lift your voices high. Lift your voices high. Dance with hope and purpose. Reach out to the sky. Dance around the fire. Let your spirit rise. Let your spirit rise. Walk with love and wisdom. Keep your dreams alive. Hey, hey, hey. Dance around the fire. Hey, 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 hey. Let your future shine. We'll guide our journey. Respect will guide our journey. What will make us stronger? Wisdom makes us stronger. What will build tomorrow? Good choices build tomorrow. What will light our future? Our hearts will light our future. Hey, 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 hey. Dance around the fire. Dance around the fire. Dance with joy tonight, but carry respect and wisdom as you walk into the light. Dance around the fire. Celebrate your dreams. Young people united are stronger than they seem. Hey, hey. Dance around the fire. Hey, hey, hey. Let your future shine. Oh, young fella, time you fella, done is around him fire. No can lose him, ting ting long, good fella passing. Hey, respect him, papa and mama. Respect him all, apun. Respect him all, one talk na friend. Hey, you seem sabe belong, you fella good. Make him all good fella, this is him. Now help him, community belong the fella. Fire in a give him light long night. That's all savannah respect by. Give him light long night belong you fella. All semna. That is thrown in fire. That's all walk about one time savage. That is thrown in fire. That's all holding past good fella passina. That is thrown in fire. Now make him be item belong you fella me come on. That is thrown in fire. running by. One time respect, one time saber, one time like him belong all a rapela.